A little over 4 years ago, MyEcon made history in being the first direct sales company to provide a complete do-it-yourself credit repair training program for everyday citizens struggling with credit issues. While companies provided credit repair at premium prices, none gave the consumer the closely held information to fix, repair, and maintain excellent credit for themselves. As expected, there was resistance from the credit repair community. Teaching consumers how to fix their credit caused a paradigm shift in how people thought about paying for credit repair. It placed the power back into the consumer's hand. With MyEcon's extensive distributor network, do-it-yourself credit repair became an everyday conversation in households across the country. Families were being educated and taught that they possessed the power to build a better financial future for themselves. Over the last 4 years, we have heard countless stories of how individuals have increased their credit scores by 50, 100, 200, and even 300 points. We've seen customers who have been able to purchase homes, automobiles, and qualify for loans that they never thought would be possible. As a company, MyEcon constantly innovates and pushes towards a better future. The original MyCredit system was a step-by-step training platform that taught credit repair in 1 hour. Included were pre-written letters that students manually downloaded and updated with their personal information. Even though the process was good, our clients asked for a more streamlined approach to make the do-it-yourself credit repair process even faster. We not only heard their feedback, but we also took action. Today, I would like to introduce the new and improved MyCredit system. The credit repair training has been condensed to 25 minutes. Several updated resources were added, and the most significant change made was the introduction of the automated dispute letter writer. No longer will you need to download a dispute letter manually. Our automated writer will take your profile and negative account information that you enter into the system and automatically create a dispute letter from a drop-down menu choice. You only need to click the print button, sign the letter, add 2 copies of identification, and mail it to the credit bureaus. This streamlines the dispute process tremendously and minimizes the mistakes you make on your credit report with disputing items. Speak with a MyEcon associate and ask them how you can get access to the MyCredit system with automated dispute letter writing.